Writing style engaging. Hey everyone, it's a thrilling day for tech enthusiasts and AI wizards alike. OpenAI has just rolled out its latest masterpiece, GPT-4o, and I'm here to give you the scoop on what makes this AI model not just new, but a game changer in the realm of technology. What sets GPT-4o apart? Well, the O stands for omni, which means this isn't your average AI. Imagine an AI that doesn't just understand text, but can also process audio and images. Yes, you heard that right. This leap by OpenAI isn't just an improvement, it's a revolution. GPT-4o is designed to be more intuitive and versatile, making our interactions with machines feel more natural than ever before. Whether you're inputting text, talking directly, or even uploading an image, GPT-4o understands it all and can respond in kind. Now think about the possibilities this opens up. For developers, it's a dream come true. But even if you're not a coder, the implications are huge. Imagine asking your computer for cooking tips while showing it what's in your fridge, or discussing a news article with your device as it reads along with you. And the best part? This is just the beginning. OpenAI has promised more updates, and I can't wait to see where they take GPT-4o next. Stay tuned, because the future of human-computer interaction just got a lot more interesting. So what do you think about GPT-4o? Are you as excited as I am to see it in action? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of AI.